Everyone, and welcome to next video in AZ300 series. In previous video we talked about the Azure Key Vault and the importance of Key Vault and how to use it, the basic concept. And today it's the disk encryption video, but we'll be learning how to create Azure Key Vault, what all are the basic need for it, and then how we can utilize the Azure Key Vault to encrypt the Azure VM disk. OS and data disk both are supported. In case of Windows VM, the disks are protected with BitLocker, and if you are doing the Linux VM, yes, Linux is also supported, and if you're doing Linux VM, then it's protected with dmcrypt, and you can encrypt both the disk, OS disk and data disk. All right, so let's go ahead. It's a demo video, so let's go ahead and try to create Azure Key Vault. So in the search, you gotta type Key Vault and click on Add. And here you can see the wizard for the Azure Key Vault. It's asking for the resource group. Let me put it in the resource group, then give it a name. Let me give it a name, the demo vaulty key. It needs a unique name. Oh, it's Wally. It's Wally key. Okay, let me put it in the South India or maybe Central India. Okay, I can see the South India. Now, pricing are 2 standard and premium. Premium includes HSM backend keys, and soft delete option is here, just like in the storage account. We don't need all these right now. It's just a demo how to utilize Key Vault to encrypt your Azure VM data disk or OS disk. What all disk we have, both are supported. Okay, cool. So let's go click on access policies. Access policies is I told you in the Azure Key Vault it can be controlled by RBAC, but Key Vault also has its own access policies. So we need to select this one which says Azure Disk Encryption for volume encryption. This is what we are utilizing it for. So click on next. In networking, you can give the access to all or public or private endpoint. For now, it's okay. Let's review. It's validating right now. Once it's validated, we'll create. Now it is creating right now. Key Vault is in progress. Meanwhile, let me tell you, we can do disk encryption with the help of a portal. That's new. Yeah, it wasn't there before. You can do it with the help of PowerShell, CLI, and templates as well. Earlier it was a little lengthy process and can be done only with the help of PowerShell. Then all other options came. So it's very easy now. It wasn't that one before because you gotta create a lot of things, but now it is very, very easy. So Key Vault is in progress right now. Let me take you to the VM. Okay, so this is the VM right here. Okay, under the VM, I'm going to go to settings, click on disks. Under disks at the top, you can see edit, refresh, and encryption option. There is also one more for the swap OS disk. That's for something else, but it is also a good option. If I have not covered it, of course, you'll find a video on that in future. So encryption, you need to click on that. And from here, you can go ahead and encrypt your disk. Make sure VM is in running mode, because if it's in stop or deallocated mode, it would be grayed out. Usually it's like that, so because extension would not be able to talk to the VM. So we have both the options. Do you want to encrypt OS disk or both? Let's select OS disk. let's select both. Okay, now here you can see data disk must be mounted by the guest operating system before they can be encrypted. There is information there. Data disk must be mounted by the guest operating system before they can be encrypted. All right, I'm not sure about this VM, so safer side, let's pick the OS disk only. But I think the data disk is, let me go there. There is no data disk. Okay, cool. We are good. Now it's asking for key vault. Key vault is a cryptographic key management service. Select a key vault to generate and store encryption keys. So we need to select key vault and key for encryption. Let's see if our key vault is created. Yes, it is. Click here and key vault. If you remember, it was demo volley key. Okay, it's not picking up from here. No problem. This was only to actually show how to create the key vault. So if it is not picking it somehow, we can create a new one. No worries. See, it took us to the same location. I got it. Why it was not picking? Because we created the demo volley in South India and we need it in the Central India. Okay, so yeah, we don't need this. No problem. We'll go ahead the wizard. It's absolutely simple. You can see now we don't need anything else, and it's okay. It says the validation failed on the basics. Oh, we forgot the name. I just type some random letters and validation is passed. Let's create it. So you can see the encryption key that you're using to encrypt the disk of your VM is coming from the key vault, and that's why in the key vault access policies we selected Azure disk encryption for volume checkbox. We are giving the access to this key vault that it can perform that encryption. Okay, so it has been deployed now. It's in progress. It would take some time, then we would have the information here. There we go. Now key, we need to select the key. Okay, now we can leave it blank, I think, or we can create a new one. Let's generate the key. You can VM key. These are the option key type. You can choose. I'm looking for default. Okay, create. So this key is generated, which would be residing in this key vault, and that key is used to encrypt the data on the disk. Okay, select. Now once I hit the save, it will ask to reboot the VM. See, yeah, once the VM is up, it would be encrypted, and it would take some time to encrypt the entire volume of the VM. So that's all about the encryption, and in next video we may see the same encryption with the help of PowerShell. We can do with the help of PowerShell as well. So thank you for watching. You have a good day. Bye bye.